3 weeks from today,
really in heat, so I'm trying to
17th of October 2025.
Just last month.
Chukudi should vanish from Ghana. If he doesn't, no policeman can protect us, can protect him.
Hey.
Hassan Ayariga, who was also painting black of my name. I want to let him know that a leader does not talk like that.
Northern region, we are going to do in Tamale. And we are coming to Western region to do one in Western region. Okay? Then we must make sure that all the Igbo kings that are Igbos in every region must be distilled and sent back home.
Some way, a buyer, I say, Obi or fan home, but so who took pine and I would do baby now, who boss of Ghana. Now, yet the near be a for because of so called Nigerians or more chrome ha. Anka, when the baby said Nigeria, be a scam or black meluda. Cabo said that's how they are. Hi, Xposed G8. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share. Mede two man now I can be. Ghana has spoken. Hassan Ayariga, the Ayariga, the one and only, will be or call your friends a member of parliament or call parliamentarians now or bo wa my pamunifu and every wakasa. Was it one of our status are Igbo king near man now? Now, things that he has on this man, you have no idea. He is not doing something for something simple. Hassan is an international man that we're dealing with so many foreigners. But wait here, also only the agenda of the person that he's talking about. Oka Igbo man, make a king, medical kingship, no, menyesa. Now, my ultimatum, also October 17th, say Ghana Police Service, say, oh man, to me, and Igbo Kina, you'll be a friend of citizens arrest, they'll go and arrest the Igbo King and move him out. Here, go to him.
We today, I, that's how Dr. Hassan declare that if by 17th of October 2025,
just next month, 17th October,
3 weeks from today,
2026,
3 weeks from today,
2026, 2025,
3 weeks from today.
I'm not being sarcastical, but I'm trying to be real.
3 weeks from
is
today,
really in heat, so I'm trying to
17th of October 2025,
just last month.
Chukudi should vanish from Ghana. If he doesn't, no policeman can protect us, can protect him.
Hey.
Now, for those who think he can't do it, let's go to the Constitution. Act 1960, Act 30. I say, yes, citizens' arrests are permitted in Ghana under the Criminal Code and other offences procedure, allowing a private individual to arrest somebody for certain offenses without warrants, including those involving force or violent, theft or fraud or injury to property. Key requirements for lawful citizens arrest include informing the person of the arrest, using only necessary force, immediately handing the person over to the police, and the citizen arrest is only valid if followed by prompt police notification. I am Brofuni Namika and said, obey citizen arrest. First of all, you need to inform the person. And until the Hassan Ayariga wabe catching the papa and say, me becha. Was it 17th of October? Wabechi Igbo man. Because some of the things I want to cover, it means or bringing the name of Ghana into dispute. So we also share allegedly fraud, any prostitution, any money be here and stuff like that. He needs to be arrested. Number two, I hear the patch say, "What you na Faniko police station? What the Nico police station? Say police station for take action." Was so I can Ghana police? How mu here? I can hire the shop up and no ye niama. Eti Hassan Ayariga there was so mass up the youth on the 17th of October. Was so boa more than bagawaya. Wabako chepa pano on the fee now we deported. Because I know there was one tenacity, no be on no person the president, you know, or more be far Ghana and leave a from. Ghanaians are becoming more patriotic. That's what I'll say. Because at some way, a buyer, I say Obi or fan home, but say who took pine and I would do baby now who boss of Ghana. Now, yet the near may be a for because of so called Nigerians or more chrome ha. Anka, when you baby, say Nigeria, ni be a scam or blackmail you that. Cabo said that's how they are. They like to blackmail. That's how they are. Almost a crew, there can't be a crew car. Almost a crew to their nonsense point. Almost by a man, almost fireman's don't worry, one more bassa, one more puyama. In the name of what we call way, it's Yama na Muko Dikwatikasiachia, Muko White Nigeria phone, ya poor Nigeria and Ghana ni Babia, Namuso away, Nigeria and Bia, Yabono, ya Motitino. Because Omun Bugana former, that's a fact. And who allow this thing to go on? No, we don't know Igbo man Sukasa was so boa. As some now can go baby,
Hassan Ayariga, who was also painting black of my name. I want to let him know that a leader does not talk like that. You cannot say anything that you have no evidence of it. When you are talking to public, say what is real and don't paint somebody wrongly. It is so cheap for him to open his mouth to say, I'm a human trafficker. But I want him to put those things, his evidence together, and the time will come, he will let me know how he's saying that I'm a human trafficker. If indeed he have the qualities to be a president of a nation, this alone has disqualified him because it's a wrong information and you are giving the youth of the nation wrong emotional torture information for them to rise against your fellow African brothers. We are all travelers. I believe he's also lived abroad. If somebody raised allegation for him like that abroad, will he exist there? He cannot exist there. So my brother, yes, and Ayariga, be careful of your trances when you are in public against your fellow human being. But I leave it for God. Thank you.
I papa ndi say Nigeria Commission na man authority. Na mpacho mami ka bibi ncho. Why aden na we opese oye no ho hene sa. Aden Ghana they need him for Hana. You see, and I'm a bit disappointed in the chieftaincy we know. They should immediately come get your guy and say, Massa, you are not a king. Stop calling yourself a king. Because Ghana can we are too for you if you are any king near you. And to stop calling yourself as a king. Because yet sometimes no, I wonder, say you're penny phone and say your more DBN, why are they not talking? House of Chiefs, why are you quiet? Is this right? Because what he's using or using the kingship title. And it, you know, you discover that there's fraud, there's prostitution, there are things which are not with us. And you have the nerve to talk to us because some of them penny phone have taken bribe to say Captain Smart. 1 year bribe, who's one cabby? I said we're back at Captain Smart. Can I look who's one bribe into one to me cabby? Yes! I'm a stomach journalist. Baby, as you come on, to Papa and Papa and his shabby no. Who's on to me cabby? Now, when you actually know, Hassan, Ayariga, my man of the moment was Samba, was it demonstration in Yakrapo? You what's in the
Northern region, we are going to do in Tamale. And we are coming to Western region to do one in Western region. Okay? Then we must make sure that all the Igbo kings that are Igbos in every region must be distilled and sent back home. They should all go back home.
They should go back home.
Those Igbo kings and Igbo elders or whoever had been installed or enskined by the so-called Igbo king, they must leave our country. We don't want to live with them. Not by force. And any other foreigner must get documentation to come to Ghana. ECOWAS has no power to say that we should not receive ECOWAS citizens without documentation. They cannot tell us that. So I've written to the president of ECOWAS and the chairman of ECOWAS.
Great.
I petitioned the president, including the chairman. So I don't just speak, I walk the talk. So Ghanaian citizens, wake up. Institutions in Ghana should wake up. This is not over. It's just the beginning. And we must all work together to make sure everything is right.
Great. Thank you very much.
In as much as citizens,
I know all over the world. Because yet nase na sabe o ma ekurom na meye kwakwa da dwon na wo hwe ma o hwe so a na tete na o sese emfa ti demonstration no yes started 17th of October about 2 weeks or 3 weeks from now, and it's going throughout Ghana because there are people like him, and not only him, there are people like him who are living here illegally. There are people like him almost yet Niama Wasia in the name of way. Nigeria for Nyeduma Dababi, every day they have money. Every day they have money. Fraud in it, almost yet Ghana. Someone used to Ghana as the base, and we need to stop it. Yeah, stop it. Sadie way, Ghana edim bonia yejeno and wash it. And I aid the IGP. Please wake up and make sure say you uproot this canker. Because Nigerians are becoming too powerful in Ghana. Yeah, come, we are nobodies. Our films, yeah, TV crowd, kwasia TV stations are all Ghana. Penifoni na kwasia no mu ye. One sorry, Nigeria films one no mu and Jimmy Sam. No mu yi so popular twa mu obi krom. No mu yi wa ha, no mu say yama. And it's here can they can't say so. Jimmy Sam media na as you used to project Ghana no, you used to project Nigeria. I can Jimmy I can Nigeria better side chrome. No I warn Ghanaian say television say don't show her film. Are we not ashamed? We have caused it. Necessarily yeah done. Yes Sam. Yeah now Jimmy and Jimmy. Yes Sam. It's from 17th no. We are marching on illegality of Nigerians in Ghana. Uprooting. We are going to demonstrate. We'll be a Musa we are fraud. We'll hand you over to the police for the police to deal with you. They hand you over to the police. I'm also with the Mondiska. Now we are going to the we'll come back and fire. I expose you to FM, subscribe, share. You need 2 man as I can be Manuasi.